voina akatsanala ka welcome le evek chewa voina general knowledge series continuation number 5 part 5 ani hami hi set 5 ani heta point question tamdau kan discuss anga. Okay, so our first question here, how many types of GST are present in India? GST GST lambomi goods and services tax ania heta hian kan ziak lokanga goods and services tax ania hemi indirect tax ania ama kan value added tax tite service tax tite custom tax tite hetiang shimshimi tax I in hemi GST hi anlo introduce hemi GST hi India antikange an implement ti chuan 1st July chuan kumsang nile sompasaria hanan lo implementa chuan khovel pumpuya GST hi introduce masaber tu tunge ti chuan France kan tiang an mani an country a France a an implement masabera chuan voinia hian country zale somli item in an country a hemi an implement to GST hi tunan question anila how many types of GST are present in India ti chuan 4 ania chu enge ti chuan C GST ania S GST ania UT GST ania chuan I GST ania hemi tuna full form pokalo zia kanga masabera central GST ania achu goods and services tax ania chumizwa state ania state goods and services tax ania chumizwa union territory GST ania chana topa integrated ania integrated GST goods and services tax hemi hinita tuna question number 2 kananga largest gland in human body ti chuan answer chu liver ania liver hi regenerating capacity pone ya hemi hian mo achia chun tlemin achia chun damage chuan amale amain ain regenerate thei hemi amale amain ain regenerate thei liver hi mo chuan adang po discuss ila smallest gland ti chuan human body a smallest gland ti chuan enge pituitary gland hinia chuan hemi khoyange omti chuan brain a om thin pituitary gland hi brain a om thin chuan hemi pancreas hi mixed gland kan ti thin mixed gland ania chuan thyroid in shianga neck a om thin neck om chu I kan shoka oma eng disease nge kan neck a om thin ka goiter disease kan nei thin tro goiter disease hi ti thaturin enge kan ei thin kan chomya chi kan thlaga chumi chi a chuan enge om thin iodine oma khami iodine kan goiter kha atitlem thin chuan chi formula nge ti chuan NaCl common name ti chuan chemical name ti chuan sodium chloride tuna question number 83 unit of electric power is okay ampere hi ang unit nge ti chuan electric current mo current unit ania volt hi potential difference anita difference ania chuan coulomb hi ange charge ania chana topami watt hi electric power chu ani maita power hemi hi answer where is the headquarter of BRICS ania BRICS hi B chu Brazil ania R hi Russia ania I hi India ania C hi China ania chuan S hi South Africa tiang hian hemi khuinge headquarter ti chuan Shanghai hi China oma Beijing post China oma Moscow hi Russia capital ania chuan Durban hi chu I city mingania South Africa tuna question number 85 which among the following cities in India is not located in golden quadrilateral road network okay golden quadrilateral hi engomzia kong pakhatene maseng city pali a connection ti hian hemi hi Mumbai ania hemi hi New Delhi ania hemi hi Kolkata ania chuan hemi hi Chennai enge option a hemi city pali ti lo dang a om ti chuan Kolkata chu a omat golden quadrilateral Mumbai poma Delhi pom Chandigarh hi om velo Chennai om which of these archaeological sites lies in Haryana ti chuan Lothal chu Gujarat a oma Dholavir po Gujarat ama Mehrauli Park hi New Delhi am maseng hemi Rakhi gar hi a answer indon hemi question an thil pahat poimo deu ka shil chong mo poimo deu I 5 star angin ngayula dichu nge largest site in Indus civilization ti chuan hemi hi civilization ti chuan hemi hi a answer ani don hemi Haryana mi hi Rakhigar hi in ti mo hemi answer hemi poimo. The period between dash in India's history is known as the Delhi Sultanate period. Hemi chu option rangbon kan tik thaisin en reng rawo tuna Delhi Sultanate kha entika nge atop chuan Delhi Sultanate zo vele khan eng empire nge India ron lu kha Mughal an lo luta Mughal kha entik kumange an lo lu kha First Battle of Panipat chu entika kumsang khatle zanga somni paruk AD yan lo luta kumsang kha zanga somni paruk AD khan lo mi First Battle of Panipat poi mo lu tu khami mo First Battle of Panipat kha kumsang kha zanga somni paruk AD khan an fight ta chu tule tu inkara Ibrahim Lodi le tunge Babar hemit pani inkara hian First Battle of Panipat 1526 AD khan an fight ta chuan Babar kha achak wang khan India rama Delhi Sultanate kha atopa chuan eng empire nge in build ka Mughal empire kha aroin born tani aloin piang tani chumi chu Babaran alo siama khami Mughal empire ka India chuan kan answer chu A 1206 AD to 1526 AD thleng Delhi Sultanate han dynasty enzat nge om kha panga a oma chu enge ti chuan masabera slave dynasty anita a slave chumizwa Khilji dynasty nia chumizwa pathumna chu Tughlaq dynasty nia chana palina chu Sayyid dynasty nia chana pangana khange Lodi dynasty hemi Lodi dynasty a khania Ibrahim Lodi kha mo chumi chu Babaran a defeat awang khan kumsang khatle zanga somni paruka khan Mughal hauka India anlo lut. Tuna question number 88 which mountain is known as the Dream in Stones? Okay, Dream in Stones heda elimination rule apply la Char Minar hi Hyderabad ama chuvain hemi hi answer ani thailo Char Minar hi Hyderabad ama Ajanta cave po Maharashtra ama hemi po hi answer ani thailo Sanchi cave khoyange om Khajuraho temple omna Khajuraho temple chu khoyange om Madhya Pradesh so Sanchi cave po hi Madhya Pradesh ama enge bang Panchmahal hi Dream in Stone and the chain Panchmahal hi khoyange om ti chuan Uttar Pradesh hemi po in shia tangai. Question number 89 the lowest layer of atmosphere is known as okay hey kan khovel duom deunia achunga layer tam deom thin ti hian layer oma anhuai ber chu troposphere nia troposphere chuan achunga stratosphere ania chuan achung leya mesosphere ania chuan achung leya thermosphere ania chuan achung leya exosphere hemi layer hi om thina atmosphere enge question azo the lowest layer of atmosphere is known as lowest chu ange troposphere so kan answer chu ange ni don troposphere inshitiam tuna ozone layer hi khoyange om thin ti chuan enge answer stratosphere hemi stratosphere hi answer stratosphere ozone layer om thin O3 hi. Question number 90 the famous Lingaraj temple hi Hindu hau temple anita chu khoyange Bhubaneswar khoyange am ti chuan Orissa ama Puri po hi Orissa ama Konark hi Black Pagoda ant china hemi po hi Orissa ama chun Khajuraho hi chu Madhya Pradesh hemi in shia tangai. Hemi question hi poimonio who among the following introduced the Rayot-Wari system in India? Hemi hi answer chu Lord Monroe, Lord Dalhousie, Doctrine of Lapse in shianga Doctrine of Lapse chuan Lord William Bentinck ti chu first governor general nia hi chu boipui vaklavila hemi hi C hi thil pakhat ka silang chu wo C hi entiklai pon shereng ulamo Lord Cornwallis hian thil pathum a important lutuk father of civil services ania hi father of civil services ania chana pani na chu permanent settlement po ha permanent settlement apo khan ama khana buai puya chuan apathum na ha zamindari system po ha zamindari system hemi pathumi tuinge relation nei ti chuan Lord Cornwallis yana nei so kan answer chu Lord Munro. Tuna question number 92. Who was the first Tirthankara of Jainism? Jainism ava in India tangai 24 Tirthankara noma. Chuta chuan Mahavir Swami hi 24 thania. Ome chu Tober minia. Chumzo Ajit Nath hi second ania. Chuan Parshvanath hi 23rd ania. Chuan Rishabh Dev hi Masaber hemi hi first ania. So kan answer chu C. Enge Tirthankara omzia. Dharma spiritual teacher an china mitai. Tuna question number 93. The disease beriberi. Beriberi chu B atang in berinia, B atang in vitamin B. Chumi wangchan kan answer vitamin B. Vitamin B kan taksa amlo chuhan beriberi hian min don. Chana dang pathum po hi iodine. Iodine amlo jan kan shock hi football angin om china. Chuchu goiter disease kan tia. Chan iron hi chu anemia nia. Anemia hinga tingeni trinti chuan iron hi claim lu tukawangin. When did the post of Lok Sabha speaker and Deputy Speaker originate in India? Hemi hi kumsang khatle zakwa somni pakhata hemi chu India tangaya eng article ange Lok Sabha Speaker le Deputy Speaker a om ti chuan article 93 ya ama anom vevea first Speaker of Lok Sabha ti chuan Lok Sabha ti chuan tunge GV Mavalankar anita GV Mavalankar ania. Chuan first deputy speaker of Lok Sabha ti chuan tunge Anantha Sayanam ania asarname kha Ayangar hemi hi first deputy speaker of Lok Sabha ti chuan Anantha Sayanam Ayangar ania chuan first speaker of Lok Sabha ti chuan GV Mavalankar. Who was the finance minister of the Mughal Empire during Akbar's reign? Akbar Khan mi poimo dau pakwane ya chimichu James Antichina. Chuta Birbalachu a PA angina oma akalna na akal china azui china a advisor ania. Raja Man Singh wan hichu general anita mo Akbara rena general ania epai arin tlak lut tuka Akbarana ring lut tuktani epai mo general ania. Indona vele battleground a active thailu tuktani Raja Man Singh wan ka tan sen hichu hey lavel mo Singaran china Akbara rena Singaran china chuna tobermi Raja Todarmal hi kan answer amaka Akbara hun laikan finance minister an chin Raja Todarmal ka Akbara bank account kami hun laikan bank om ngailo masing ama bank account ka aman aboy puchin Raja Todarmal Khan. Which Indian state has the longest coastline omzia chuange entirnan line pakhat oma hemi hi ram anita a chon hemi hi tui helam hi ocean anyanga chon helam hi land anyanga chichu anin connect na line kha coastline kan china tuin nge nei sei berti chon Gujarat hi answer. Gujarat length chu 5000 kilometer ania maseng India pumpuya coastline area enzat nge ti chon 7500 le somparu kilometer heti zat hi a vine India total coastline length anita. Which of the following is the highest peak in Sri Lanka? Sri Lanka in Shianga heta India topa ama India nwaya ama Sri Lanka hi Bible rock hi Sri Lanka ama maseng hemi highest peak anilaw hak gala hi chu park ania yenge botanical garden nia Sri Lanka thaw ama hemi hi chona pathum na hi Kirigal Potta hi second highest peak ania Sri Lanka second highest peak heta hian highest peak ania chon Mount Pedro hi kan answer ai don. Oestology is the study of hemi hi adang hi an discuss potila ophthalmology hi study of eyes ania tissue hi in shianga mania pohan kalau discuss to histology ania. Heart hi ange cardiology ange bang bone kan ruhi a answer study of bone is called osteology. Question number 99 Baku amingan phu alai kan angen ngai tuang le Baku Baku important se Baku is the capital of Turkmenistan capital chu ange ti chuan Ashgabat Tajikistan capital chu Dushanbe ania chuan Kyrgyzstan capital chu Bishkek ania so kan answer chu Azerbaijan hi kan answer tuna kan set 5 question to but who was the prime minister of India at the time of Indo-Pak War 1965 okay 1965 Indo-Pak War khan tunge India prime minister ti chuan Jawaharlal Nehru chu ni lo phata achan chu ani chu Mahatma Gandhi hunlai khanoma chuan Indira Gandhi hunlai po khan kumsang khat zakwa somsari le pakhata khan Indo-Pak War oma Indo-Pak War oma Rajiv Gandhi chu ni thelo shimsha achan chu khami hunlai khan kumsom ni vel kanya Indira Gandhi fa pa khania chuan kan answer chu C Lal Bahadur Shastri hemi hi answer okay so heti zong hinia I kan series set 5 general knowledge tikhan I len lo tu te amapon general knowledge part pali ka upload to question tam ve to question za ani ve to vain mo chu answer ti lo option dang pathum po I ka explain china chu vain ka question za hi question zathum amazali angania so athai chuan I one train and vekula 1 2 3 4 5 avain question za chu ka upload to ma sen ka explain na salutu thei sham chuan in lo and vek donia tir train top thleng chon ka channel in la subscribe lo ni chon in lo subscribe anga chon notification bell khain on donia thank you